There's a moment when your mind just says, not today. You've got work to do, goals waiting, habits you swore you'd keep, but your energy feels like it's trapped behind glass. So you scroll, you wait, you bargain with yourself, and another day begins to slip away. But what if you didn't need motivation? What if you only needed 15 minutes? Most people think focus comes from feeling ready. But readiness is a myth. Focus doesn't appear before you begin. It's built because you begin. Here's the trap. When you wait to feel focused, your brain learns to wait. Every time you postpone action, you strengthen the muscle of avoidance. It's not laziness. It's conditioning. The longer you hesitate, the heavier the start becomes. Here's where the 15-minute rule changes everything. When you don't feel like doing a thing, commit to just 15 minutes. No pressure to finish, no promise of perfection, just begin. Because once you start, momentum takes over. Your brain releases dopamine not from finishing, but from starting. That tiny spark of progress becomes fuel. You realize you never lacked focus. You just needed to lower the entry point. Focus isn't found in inspiration. It's found in motion. And motion begins small, 15 quiet minutes at a time. Some days those 15 minutes will turn into hours. Other days, that's all you'll have. But either way, you kept the promise. You stayed in motion. You rebuilt trust with yourself. So today, don't chase motivation. Set the timer. Begin for 15 minutes. Let discipline build the rest. Because the path back to focus isn't about doing more, it's about starting small. Start small. Stay consistent. Rise daily.